Okay, there's two limits here, and they want me to use L'Hopital's rule. Let me write this down. So limit as x goes towards infinity of the natural log of x, and the bottom I'm going to write down is x to the 1/3 power. All right? Now, both are going towards infinity, so I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule on that. Limit x goes towards infinity. The derivative at the top is 1 over x. The derivative at the bottom is going to be what? 1/3 x to the minus 2/3. Now, let me write this over here again. Limit x goes towards infinity. Let's take a look at that. So I'll write this over here, kind of carefully too. So 1 over x, and we're dividing by, let's see, I'll write this down. We're dividing by, let's see, 1 over 3x to the 2/3, which is going to be 1 over x times 3x to the 2/3 over 1. What does that give me? Well, let's take a look at that. You get a 3, certainly, and you get a 1/3 in the bottom. So I'm going to say the cube root of x. Let's write that down. So you get 3 over the cube root of x. What do you get over there? Well, the bottom blows up to infinity, so you get 3 divided by infinity, which can be a 0. All right? Relatively simple. Let's do the other one, and I'm doing this one over here. So limit, there's similarities between the two, by the way. And that's going to be the cube root, or x to the 1/3, and then natural log of x. Both top and bottom are going towards infinity. I'll use L'Hopital's rule. And the top's derivative, we just did it, right? So 1/3 x to the minus 2/3. And what do you get in the bottom? 1 over x. Let's take a look. It's going to be limit x goes to infinity. Basically reciprocal of the other guy, right? So it's going to be cube root of x over 3. What does that give me? Infinity. We're done. Thank you.